Ever wondered what the top attractions in Rome are? Well, you're in for a treat. Rome, the Eternal City, is a treasure trove of history and culture waiting to be discovered. From awe-inspiring monuments, ancient ruins, to artistic masterpieces, Rome offers an unforgettable journey through time. And today, we're going to explore this fascinating city like never before. So buckle up and prepare for an exhilarating adventure. Join us as we count down the top 10 must-see attractions in Rome. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have the Spanish Steps. This monumental stairway of 135 steps is an iconic symbol of Rome and a testament to the city's rich history. Built in the 18th century, the Spanish Steps are not just a stairway, but a meeting place, a stage, a catwalk, and a backdrop for countless photos. Its unique design, inspired by a mix of French, Italian, and Roman architecture, makes it one of the most famous tourist attractions in the world. The steps lead to the Trinità dei Monti Church at the top, which offers a stunning panoramic view of the city. The Spanish Steps are also home to the Boccaccia Fountain, another must-see feature of this historic site. The Spanish Steps, a perfect blend of history and beauty, truly deserves a spot in our countdown. Moving on to number 9, we find ourselves at Piazza Navona. Nestled in the heart of the Eternal City, this public space is more than just a square. It's a canvas that showcases Rome's vibrant life and its rich history. Originally built as a stadium in the 1st century AD, Piazza Navona has since transformed into a bustling hub for artists, vendors, and locals alike. Today, it's an open-air museum where Baroque Roman architecture meets modern-day hustle. The square is adorned with 3 magnificent fountains, the most famous of which is Bernini's Fountain of the Four Rivers. As you stroll around, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, from the footsteps of ancient Romans to the lively debates of Renaissance artists. The piazza is also a gastronomic paradise, lined with numerous cafes and restaurants that offer a taste of authentic Italian cuisine. Piazza Navona, a vibrant and energetic spot, is our number 9 pick. At number 8, we have the Roman Forum. This remarkable slice of history was once the pulsating heart of ancient Rome, a bustling marketplace, a political hub, a center for public speeches, criminal trials, and gladiatorial matches. The Forum was, quite simply, where life unfolded in the capital of the Roman Empire. Today, the Roman Forum's iconic ruins stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era of architectural grandeur and political power. The vestiges of grand temples, arches, and government buildings whisper tales of emperors, senators, and citizens who once walked these cobbled streets. The towering columns of the Temple of Saturn, the majestic arch of Septimius Severus, and the Curia Julia, the ancient seat of the Roman Senate, are just a few of the awe-inspiring sights that await the curious traveler. The Roman Forum, a testament to Rome's ancient grandeur, rightfully takes our number 8 spot. Making a splash at number 7 is the Trevi Fountain. With its intricate Baroque design and cascading waters, the Trevi Fountain is truly a sight to behold. Nestled in the heart of Rome, this majestic masterpiece is more than just a fountain. It's a grand piece of art that tells tales of the city's glory and grandeur. And oh, the stories it holds. Legend has it that if you throw a coin over your shoulder into the fountain, you're guaranteed to return to Rome one day. 2 coins, you'll find romance in the Eternal City, and 3, well, that's a marriage proposal waiting to happen. This tradition, steeped in centuries of history, sees an estimated 3,000 euros tossed into the fountain each day. But worry not, these coins don't just sink to the fountain's depths. Instead, they're collected and donated to charity, making your wishes a beacon of hope for others. The Trevi Fountain, a grand and romantic attraction, makes it to our number 7 spot. At number 6, we marvel at the Pantheon. An architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time, the Pantheon commands respect and awe in equal measure. Nestled in the heart of Rome, This structure is a living testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Constructed nearly 2,000 years ago, the Pantheon is a marvel of engineering and design. Its most striking feature is undoubtedly the massive dome, the largest unsupported dome in the world, even today. This dome, with its central oculus, allows sunlight to spill into the interior, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow throughout the day. Originally a temple dedicated to all gods of Rome, the Pantheon today serves as a church and a tomb for several Italian kings and artists. Every corner of this magnificent edifice whispers tales of Roman history, culture, and architectural prowess. The Pantheon, an architectural marvel, secures its position at number 6. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we have the Vatican Museums. Nestled within the heart of Vatican City, these museums are a labyrinth of wonder and discovery. They house a mind-boggling collection of over 70,000 pieces of art and historical artifacts, of which only 20,000 are on display for the public to admire. As you wander through the corridors, you'll encounter masterpieces from every epoch, each one a testament to the artistic prowess of its time. From the mesmerizing ancient Roman sculptures to the Renaissance frescoes that adorn the walls, there's a story waiting to be told at every corner. Here, you're not just walking through a museum, but a grand narrative of human creativity and imagination, spanning thousands of years. Each piece of art, each artifact echoes the voices of the past, bringing history to life in the most captivating way. The Vatican Museums, a treasure trove of art and history, rightfully claims the number 5 spot. At number 4, we gaze in awe at the Sistine Chapel. Drawing breaths and stealing hearts, this historic marvel is the epitome of divine artistry. The Sistine Chapel is known worldwide for its breathtaking frescoes, each one a testament to the genius of Michelangelo. Enveloped in an aura of reverence, the chapel is a silent storyteller, its walls echoing tales of human creation and divine judgment. From the creation of Adam to the Last Judgment, Michelangelo's masterpieces adorn the ceiling and altar wall respectively. Each fresco is a symphony of colors, an orchestra of images that weave together an epic narrative. The intricate details, the vivid colors, the sheer scale, all bear witness to Michelangelo's extraordinary talent and painstaking dedication. The Sistine Chapel isn't just a chapel, it's a canvas where art and faith intertwine, where every brushstroke is a verse in a poetic tribute to divine magnificence. It's a place where you don't just see art, you experience it. The Sistine Chapel, a masterpiece of art, is our number 4 pick. Rising to number 3, we have St. Peter's Basilica. This magnificent edifice showcases the grandeur of Renaissance architecture, standing tall in the heart of Vatican City. It's not just an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of the Catholic faith. St. Peter's Basilica, named after one of Jesus Christ's apostles, is believed to be his final resting place. This connection to St. Peter gives the basilica its deep religious significance. But the allure of St. Peter's Basilica extends beyond its religious connotations. Its awe-inspiring design, the work of legendary artists such as Michelangelo and Bernini, make it a treasure trove of artistic brilliance. The iconic dome dominates the skyline, while inside, the exquisite details and masterpieces such as Michelangelo's Pieta captivate all who visit. This colossal structure, an embodiment of faith, art, and history, truly deserves its place in our list. St. Peter's Basilica, a beacon of Catholicism and art, takes the number 3 spot. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have the iconic Colosseum, a magnificent testament to the grandeur of Rome's imperial past. The Colosseum stands as a proud symbol of the city's ancient power. Built over 2,000 years ago, this architectural marvel has withstood the test of time, surviving natural disasters and human interference. Once the stage for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, the Colosseum could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. The design, a feat of engineering, boasts of a complex system of vaults, arches, and tunnels. Its massive structure, carved out of travertine limestone, tufa, and brick-faced concrete, is a sight to behold. The Colosseum is not just an ancient sports arena, but a powerful reminder of Rome's rich history and the might of the Roman Empire. It's a place where you can feel the echoes of the past, resonating with the stories of bravery, triumph, and spectacle. The Colosseum, a symbol of Rome's ancient power, is our runner-up. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vatican City. This marvel is not just the smallest state in the world, but also one of the most influential. Nestled within the heart of Rome, the Vatican City is an entire city-state brimming with cultural, historical, and religious significance. Home to the Pope, the Vatican City stands as the spiritual and administrative headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. It is a treasure trove of art and history, housing an array of ornate churches, museums, and galleries. Within its walls, you'll find the world-renowned Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica, both awe-inspiring embodiments of the city's rich heritage. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a spiritual seeker, the Vatican City has something to offer. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in centuries of culture, all within a few square kilometers. The Vatican City, a city within a city, takes the crown in our countdown. And there we have it, the top 10 attractions in Rome, from the grandeur of the Colosseum to the divine intricacy of the Sistine Chapel and the timeless allure of the Vatican City. Each site, steeped in history and beauty, beckons you to immerse yourself in Rome's rich tapestry. So, why wait? The eternal city, with its endless marvels, is waiting. We hope this journey has inspired you to pack your bags and experience the magic of Rome firsthand. Until next time, arrivederci.